Well, he bataka make. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK race. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now, move settings nation. And we no need no ladder. Now, welcome to the channel. You man, Jayden Chase, another one that we're going to bring on another exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, what's a shape on the blocking truth. Big up Lava and the whole New York Gaza. Nation of them things them not like to see. This is why some artists bad mind. This is a major declaration, viewers and subscribers. We cannot lose. We cannot lose. Gaza Nation is a movement, viewers and subscribers. Nicki have to remind them. Say even if Vybz Kartel are your favorite artist, he may your favorite artist, and the fan base is global. Now we have to discuss this in detail, viewers and subscribers.
Put your hands up. Illest to ever do it. Tell them fi recognize. On a cartel, them fi free up vibes.
Yes, nation. Now let's continue the reasoning. Now recently, Lava put out a post. We have the entire industry in a frenzy. Now recently, Lava big up Nicki by saying, you know, big her up on her new production she put out. Till last year to go and put out the good work, you know what I mean? Congratulations, and you know, heart of love for your youth. To which Nicki Minaj did indeed respond to, and she used the opportunity for also remind her fans and also make a declaration. Now, Nicki responded by saying, famous people must follow famous people. You don't know, Gaza must say. And she also sent best wishes for Lava Youth as well by saying, kisses to your daughter. Nation, this is why there is no comparison with some little artist and the king. This is why there is no comparison with the Gaza Nation on the other side. Yeah, them have a team, but this is a bigger league. Accept no substitutes, nation. Vybz Kartel has the biggest fan base in a dancehall music in current times. One heap of other dancehall artists are respected. Nicki love other dancehall artists too. But a Gaza, she say. This is a major declaration from one of the biggest names in a hip hop and rap. Where pop music is concerned overall. One of the biggest female names in the music right now. Tell some other little artists if they hide themselves. Know them I say. And this is a powerful reminder for the young fans of music too as well. Now make some little artists and the few little people they on them team confusing. Them artists not achieve nothing. Internationally, them not known for nothing. Just like how locally, other than the gimmicks and the lies where them tell, them not known for nothing neither. They might trick Vado and take with the gully side fans from him in an attempt to gain support, which failed miserably. Now you don't have nobody, no way, where I say them say gully side more than Mouth. And Mouth alone probably will say that in our one song. I'm alone is gully side now. There's no fan base way, or no group of, you know, no movement called gully side. Gaza stands alone. You see, because many Jamaican fans of dancehall who reside on the island have never really traveled out into the world and seen the respect that the Jamaican culture receives. They have never gone out in the world and seen the respect that dancehall music, along with reggae of course, receives. So them don't know the fame, the notoriety and the powers bestowed upon Vybz Kartel through music. Them don't know the level of stardom that Vybz Kartel's music has attained. Remember, I said Nicki is known in all continents. At this point in time, I don't think there's a continent that she has not visited. I don't think there's a hip-hop superstar you could have stopped and asked, given the opportunity, if they know of Vybz Kartel's artistry. Unless they don't know of Jamaican and our Caribbean culture, none at all. That is the only exception. If they don't know nothing about Caribbean culture, that means they don't know the island, they don't know nothing about reggae, they don't know about dancehall. But other than that, any other artist of any other genre of music, from them know Jamaican culture and Jamaican music, means them know dancehall and reggae. Of course, they are fans of Vybz Kartel. The artist's music speaks for itself. The level of artistry, that's why I always point out the level of artistry, the creativity. People like to talk about the flow, but I always point out the cadence, the lyrical content. Rhyming is one aspect of lyrics. Storytelling is another. Vybz Kartel has mastered all of that and has also developed a way where he can also just talk upon the beat, making the action of lyrical delivery look effortless. In the recent track where he dropped Trip Glock, despite the amount of lyrics were in the song, the cadence of the voice show you say Vybz Kartel was relaxed while recording. It never sound like, you know, he might try to prove no point. No, it was just another day in the office. Tell them say them talk about music and musical accomplishments. Try remember who them talk about. Them try feel like them want mirror accomplishments. Try remember who them talk about. This is not your regular artist, your average artist who put out a one song where some people know. Put out a song where my hit one time. This is the artist who continues to dominate and change the pace of music, who continues to use it to elevate, motivate, and educate the masses. And people want to hear some little fool that makes some little talk. They have some next set of little people where indulge them. And them come to know the foolishness, run them. When them talk to not ask them what some artists do thus far. Remember, even the 10 years before incarceration, Vybz Kartel was the first dancehall artist to have a reality TV show aired on national television. That before the whole reality or the TV show wave start take place in North America. You'd have a couple already, yes. You know, Flavor them that for them thing pan VH1 and a couple others. But where dancehall and Jamaican music is concerned, Caribbean is concerned, the very first dancehall artist to create his own rum brand. And to date, he's the only dancehall artist to create his own rum brand. I think some other artists have tried, but failed miserably. So even when accolades are the discussion, whether in or outside of music, they have never done nothing close to what the teacher has done. And if a music are the discussion, then I'm not going to hold no discussion with them. Because whether we are talking about lyrics, flow, we are talking about creativity, this is a different league. Them artists, they're not involved in this. We have to talk about artists from some different genre of music if we talk about creativity and, lyrical content. If we talk about some Eminem and, you know what I mean? Some other lyricists from across the place, you know what I mean? The Wayne, them, the J. Cole, the Kendrick, you name them people. The list is extensive. You have a whole heap of other big lyricists and other big artists where show extensive creativity in a different genres of music. Whether it be hip hop, R&B, pop, you know what I mean? Even reggaeton, even Afrobeat. Definitely an exciting moment in the music. As I say, we not give them no rest day. They have to go work overtime. But they try to do cheat dancehall music every weekend we go lock off. We have to make sure we control every. As a matter of fact, there isn't a day where the nation continue to push the music forward. Right now, Gaza Nation the pulse in the dancehall music. Think about it, the Vybz Kartel and drop a music and I drop a new track for the next day or the next couple of days. People start wondering. Cold sweat, shivers. Because people know what Vybz Kartel bring to the table where music is concerned. And they know where him carry with him when him leave. definitely one of the artists we can consider as a living inspiration. Big up Vybz Kartel. Big up Onika as well. Nah, I mean, mama, I don't know anything of blessings for your youth. You know the something go. As a teacher, tell them, in a rich forever, of course, family is something we treasure. You know what I mean? I always remember that too. Definitely a good look. Nicki make a powerful declaration, viewers and subscribers. A reminder for the new fans them. A reminder for some other little people. Saying a music, Gaza stands alone. The only fan base with superstar fans in the fan base. From Nicki to Cardi. We can't go into the list right now. We can't get into the list right now. Talk to me in the comment section. But I said the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding them now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But they like the reason, and of course they like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Yes, the like icon did it in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like, bust a share, tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reason. Yeah, man, out more settings fam. Until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are to live, love and prosper. Until the reason again.